We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. Throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
Trap in a code, living on a killer code. Never tell me different stories when it comes to killer code. Everybody pin a fold, never tell me killer fold. Everybody coming from the hood, so not kidnappo. Everybody stacking by the same, cause you never know the stories that are coming from the same blood, living in a prison.
We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there.
Coming with a ski mask, bitch with a feedback. I got a 4-4 with a 4-0. Coming in with some mojo with a Gucci bag.
We in here, one don't get, and we ain't fit, can't get in here. We getting lit in here. I don't care, and the girls dancing everywhere. The bottle popping everywhere, the money overflowing everywhere, the swags everywhere, designers everywhere.
We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there.
This young T, young David, young Emma, young Thug, young boy, young Bear, young Doll, young Nick, young
muted.
Hill,
Wow.
young Hills. Pull up at your hall, young Mill, young Chill. I say catch him with the pitch him. Learn from repetition. I got no ambitious visit, so I question my intention.
We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We're in there. Yeah. Man, we gotta play that back. We gotta play that back, cause no way I missed the favorite part about that. No way I missed that, gang. Who made this?
We
Throwing money in the airline. Hey.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We're in there.
We throwing
Money in the airline. We're in there. We're jigging on him and now we like. Hey, we're in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
I ain't gonna lie, the first verse was weak. Sorry, Cedric, your verse was weak. This bitch put me to sleep.
We jigging with a hammer, now we
Psych!
like.
Give me the pinnacle coat. With the killer coat.
Never tell me different stories when it comes to
The killer coat. On the killer stove.
Never tell me killer
Let's
food.
go.
Everybody coming from the hood, so
Man,
like
put
killer
it bold.
Everybody stacking by the same, cause you never know the stories that are coming from the same blood, living in a prison.
We throwing money in the airline.
Man, that boy, I got caught up with a Muslim, man.
We throwing money
In the airline. We're in there. Now we like. We're in there.
We throwing
Money in the airline. We're in there.
We jigging with a hammer,
Now we like. Hey. With that sneeze mad bitch.
With a feedback. I got a 4-4 with a
4-4.
4-0. Coming in with some mojo with a Gucci bag.
Bro, I just started my live, bro. Let me call you after.
We ain't fit, can't get in here. We getting lit in here.
Yeah.
I don't care.
When the man dancing everywhere. Hey.
The bottle popping everywhere, the money overflowing everywhere, the swags
Hey.
everywhere, designers
Brothers everywhere. You know what time it is, y'all.
This a money. Rich.
Millionaire.
Rich. Hold on, daddy. Make we say it. Man, up in door, make we say it.
Ball clap. Rich millionaire. Let's get it. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. Uganda Trades is here. Back with another live stream. Better than ever. Wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished? The best trader in the world.
Oh my God.
Richest in the game right now. Rich as in like, rich as in spirit.
Yeah, wanna
Rich is a spirit right now, you know, because I'm in high spirit right now. I got my hater blockers on.
This a money.
Y'all need to get some money.
Hold on there. Make we see how you know they look no man. Open door, make we see how Bombo clock.
Rich millionaire. Ah. Hey. Welcome to another live stream. Uganda Trades is live again. I'm live. You know what time it is. It's time to get educated. It's time to get better mentally, physically, financially. We are here with another great live stream. Like, ain't y'all excited? Ain't y'all excited? I know I'm excited. Like, put a one in the chat if y'all excited. Ooh, I see a lot of ones. Ooh, I'm talking to myself. All right, back with another live stream. About to do what I do best. Go over the charts. Go over what's going on financially. What's going on macro, economically, and macro. I mixed those words up. Macro and micro economically. We're gonna see what's going on in the markets and what to expect in the next week. Like, what stocks are we gonna pick to be our, stocks to trade and focus on, right? Because we are not market predictors, we're market participators. We see what happens and we, get into it, see if we can get a little bit out of it. You know what I'm saying? So this knowledge is going to be great for you to learn, to be better, to push yourself. Because I do this every week because we are better from last week. No matter how bad we do, no matter how great we do, we're always going to be better. And this is a reset point. This stock Sundays is a reset point, right? It's the first day of the week, Sunday. Even though it's 8 p.m., it's the first day of the week, right? So we got to start our day off for the week, on a bang. You know what I'm saying? On a bang. Where's my bell? That's not it. Where is it? Yeah. Oh, anyways, back to me, right? It's been a good week. How y'all been, man? How y'all been? I know y'all been good, man. It's been a good fire week. Good fire week, man. I've done a lot. I pushed myself to the next level. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to clap it up for myself. You know why? Because I'm grinding. I'm here live. And like, life is good. I'm just blessed to be here to give y'all this knowledge. Like, only God can do that, right? Only God can do that. This opportunity just to look at the stocks and participate, right? Before you needed like 25K to trade. Now you just need a Robinhood account. And what you willing to lose? But I am just happy that I'm here able to provide a good word of the stock market. This is the stock market Sunday. This is the money Sunday. We are the money. But before we get started, let's start off because let me start off with the basics, right? Let's go to what I do best. Let's start off with the earnings hub, see what's going on with the earnings. So the first thing I see is that boom, y'all see that Monday there's no earnings, right? So earnings are slowing down a little bit, but see something. I see Carvana, I see Coke posting their earnings on Wednesday. Wingstop and Fiber is posting their earnings, so you should be looking out for the stocks, especially before and after they move, right? Before and after they move. Opart is posting their earnings. So not a crazy week earning wise. Also, Walmart's posting earnings. Lemonade, I don't know what Lemonade is. It's also a pretty calm week regarding earnings, but these are big market players like this right here. Man, this stock, bro, this stocks hurts my feelings, bro. Could have made that trade, but bro, the price gaps be crazy. The bid ask is too high. Coke, I'm looking at Coke to do really good. I don't know what Hive. I'm gonna look at Penn, Apollo Auto Networks. Okay. Moody. MCO. What is Moody about? This go to info. Moody ratings, leader credit ratings on fixed income securities. The rating segment, Moody's Investor Service includes. Damn, what happened? Oh my God, they just tanked. Let's go check them out. See, my MCO. What is MCO looking like? And Moody, Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, no way. Oh my God. Look at them getting cooked. Sheesh, what's going on with Moody? Moody getting cooked. Especially, and I don't know, they're just getting cooked. But let's go back to the earnings. This looks pretty good. This actually be ChatGPT. This should be a short but impactful live stream. I don't have much to teach. The only thing I teach today is stay consistent and improve every day and every week. You know, because we, like I said earlier, we are supposed to get better even every week. Learn something new about yourself. Learn something. Control yourself. You know what to expect. Hang on, I don't know why I even do this, bro. Like, expect in the stock market this week. Any major news? With that, let's go to Forex Factory. Okay. Forex Factory. So boom, Tuesday, Monday is gonna be quiet. No major US news. But let's see what's going on with the Tuesday, Empire State Manufacturing Index. They're dropping their news. But man, Friday's gonna be very eventful. New sales, flash service, MPI. This is, I think, interest related. Boom, quick summary, what to expect. Shortened week trading. It's a shortened trading week. Oh, because the market is closed on Monday due to President's Day. Oh my God. I don't get President's Days off, but sad. Oh my God. So the big economic data, GDP, inflation, housing, trade, that could shift rate expectations. Key earnings reports, especially retail and consumer names, will signal strong strength. Markets remain volatile with sector rotations away from the tech towards defensive sectors. Recent pullbacks after declines last week segment still caution, right? So the news, right? What news to watch over? So economic data with high impact. So US GDP update. And then the US PCE inflation report. Fed will measure that. And then the US home. So this is dropping on Friday too, right? When is the GDP? GDP is dropping on Friday too. They're dropping on Friday. And then the US trade durable goods report. That's always going to be good. It's going to be that Friday going to be pumping. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, that Friday going to be pumping. You heard me? Let's just be on a caution, right? Okay, big retailers like Walmart seen as a key reader on consumer spending. Other notable reports include companies like DoorDash and other motherfuckers. Yeah. All right, so let's look at the market theme for investor. First of all, thank you for the insider. But thank you for that. But I don't think I'm done with this little, you know, what ChatGPT gave me. Forgive me, Memphis, for burning up your city, your water with another bad question. But I need this information, right? Nothing's ever free, right? I take that back. Sorry again. It's getting awkward. All right. The big picture outlook. Expect choppy trading. Market are balancing solid earnings with uncertain about the rate growth. Data surprises, inflation could drive sharp moves. Watch consumer spending signals. There are critical for the 2026 outlook. Okay, cool. Thank you. So, like you said, this Monday is a holiday. Monday is a holiday, so nothing's gonna be happening. The market is gonna be chilling, not doing shit. But let's go to our trading list. Let's go to our trading list. So let's see the Mag 7. You know the Mag 7. Mag 7.
Oh my God!
I don't know about the Mag 7. That's crazy. I just know about the Mag 7. I talk about it every week. You're not locked in. You're not locked in. But let's go to the Mag 7. I ain't gonna lie, I'm overusing the soundboard, but I got some new sounds on there, so I'm just excited.
Yo, wanna say this, you know, easy off. Oh, let me see my name. Bumbo Clark. This a money. Rich. Millionaire. Hey. Rich. What, hey, hold on to that. Make we see how you know they look no man. Open door, make we see how hold on. Bumbo Clark. Rich. Millionaire.
All right, so let's kind of see what happened, and I'm gonna do like a before and after, right? So this is before I clean the charts, and then after I re-clean it and rewrite the charts, right? I'm gonna incorporate this into my, when I do the market refresh, because every week I refresh the market to kind of help me, because this is all information. This is 7 days old. It's old. It's not relevant no more. It still can be, because right here is still a sell, but I want to see the before and after, see if my market my thoughts change, because I want to see what's the difference. Like, did I make, like, what happened before? So when I marked this up, I think Sunday was here. Price was looking like it wanted to go back to 700, but it failed, right? It failed. And then those, prior days, sold off for this Thursday and a little bit on Friday. But okay, let's go back to Microsoft. Moving on to Microsoft. As you can see, Microsoft hit this old resistance, right? And it kind of, broke, kind of retested it and came back, but sellers are still strong. But I see if price holds this resistance high, that can be a good signal if Microsoft holds this resistance, and it could possibly push up. And especially this right here, I look at this lower high right here. That's the target to break. That's where Microsoft needs to break to push back to the $400-$500 level. Moving on to Tesla. So let's see what happened with Tesla, right? So Tesla broke the resistance, but it just failed. As you can see today, there was a doji. It just failed to continue to push higher highs. So now what's next with Tesla? Is Tesla gonna continue and push below back to the support level? We're gonna be looking out for that. So this is the before. This is not the new outlook. So look at Google. Google also, I think they reported earnings that Wednesday, Thursday came, and then this is a new week. After reporting earnings, Google definitely selling underneath support, which I should have traded, but you can't make every. I was focused on Tesla when I was trading, but Google broke underneath resistance, underneath support. Now it looks like it's going to sell off, continue selling off. But shout out to Apple. Apple doing what I thought it would not do. So I thought Apple was going to continue to push above and push these like 300 to 310 levels, but it failed miserably. Sellers were stronger, and they ended up pushing Apple below the support, and it could continue to sell off. So I definitely missed that trade. Oh well, you can't make every trade. There's too many stocks to be feeling. You can't make every trade, right? That's the point. My point of this is to show you, like, there's a lot of opportunities in the market. You're not gonna catch all of them, unless you just like a trading god or something, where every single play is gonna happen. But for me, this indicator is May, and then we saw Amazon after earnings just dropped off a cliff. Then it tried to retest the support. This is a good sell, especially the retest underneath support. But boom, it went ahead. But I did not trade that either. And then we have Nvidia. Look at this. Look at this level of support right here. This is Nvidia's 2-1. Like, it's been just consolidating in this zone right here. Consolidating in this zone for 6+ months. And it failed. It pushed, tested it again throughout the week, but it just failed. Now it's underneath this support level, which I'll say might be a possibility of getting into that re-entry. So after that, so now I'm done with kind of overviewing what happened last week. Now it's time to clear the charts, and start anew, because those are old ideas. That's what happened last week. And guess what? Tomorrow's a holiday. People are partying, having a party. Hey, having a party. Because it's President's Day. Hell yeah. It's the President's Day. But let's go to the monthly. Oh. Nose getting a little stuffy. But let's see what's going on with Meta. Meta definitely showing weakness. As you can see, even on a monthly, looks like we're on a little downtrend. We got a high, then we have a equal. We can make it a low right here. Then we made a lower high, and now we're gonna make a lower low on the monthly. Let's look on the weekly too. We can tell a different story, right? Because every time frame has its own story, and it's more important, it's more powerful on a higher time frame. So as you can see with Meta here, I'll tell you that my nose right now, not giving Rich Millionaire.
Bruh.
All right, so as you can see on a small time frame on a weekly, Meta definitely showing more sell signals. Even failed to break this resistance, higher resistance. Kind of retested a little bit, but we profit? Then we got this right here. So I'm looking for sales. Meta, because that's where prices want to take me. Where price wants to go. So we just go with the flow. We go with the flow. So we got that. This. Boom. Y'all see it. I like Meta at a sell point. 4 hour. Let's go on the hourly. See how it's looking. So we got this little support here. Short term. Boom. We'll also be looking at sells right here. Yup. There's targets over here. That's a 40-point play. 40-point play waiting to happen. Monday or Tuesday morning, so we're gonna wait till Tuesday. So that's how I look at Meta. We're on a downtrend. I bought here. I thought Meta's gonna make a back up, retest this, but nope, it did not. So but we gotta be patient. I think Meta is gonna push here, but we are market participators, not market predictors. So we never know. I'll never know. I could be 100% wrong. Meta can jump up back above this level on Tuesday and continue upwards. See, that's the thing. We never know. We just gotta participate and be ready for the next move and ready to take. So Microsoft has been on a tear downwards. It's funny, it was on a tear upwards for the past few months, but sheesh, since 26 happened, Microsoft is gonna be going through it. Microsoft's been going through it. Now, let's see. As you can see here, like, damn, this support level. Oh, this support level broke. And then look, made a lower high, equal high, lower low, and a equal lower high, and then just kept pushing down. That's why you got to look at the candlestick pattern, especially on the weeklies. But right now, how do I see Microsoft acting? How do I see Microsoft, right? So last week, I gave it a resistance or support level, but this could be a support or resistance. So I think this is a support. I'm gonna give this as a support. Now it's price is supporting on this level right here, right? It's a strong support. Price tested that support. Price tested that support, right? But I see that we had some resistance right here on this daily candlestick right here. Price was when it pushed, got rejected as this 420 level, 420. Ha. Let me see. I'm thinking about the sound effect, but I ain't got it in me. Let's get the support, resistance on the daily. Ooh, I didn't pop the support and the resistance on the daily right here. Sorry about that, yeah. But back to Microsoft. So Microsoft is hovering at $400, which is not too bad, not too crazy. But we see that we've had this major support right here that it tested. So what is Microsoft going to do? Is it going to push below the support? Because I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna be watching. My eyes. I'm telling you, Microsoft, you're gonna push below here. Let me add a little. Oh, let me add a little alert right here. You know, like is Microsoft gonna continue to? If Microsoft breaks the support, we're looking to push right here. That's 3, and that's a 60 point play. 60 point play, but you gotta be very patient with it. Very patient, you know what I'm saying? Be very patient. Don't be looking for tight. Be patient with the play. Don't be looking for a crazy explosion right away. Does that make sense? It did. Okay, cool. That didn't make sense at all. Cool. But that right there, and then we also have this right here, price breaking this level. So Microsoft can either do two things, right? It can either go up or down. Tested this major support level, right? Because last time we were here, we broke through it. It was a resistance. Now it became a support because look, it was a support. So price, it's either are we gonna break through and test this, this $60 move right here? We're gonna see, and that's why we gotta be patient, right? Patience is key. Microsoft, Tesla, Mr. Elon Musk, his company. I think this is a sell signal. It's a sell signal. Still see a sell signal because let's see. If you start here, but one thing I see is like, man, like we haven't broken this level of support yet, right? We tested it. We haven't broken it though. We tested it, but we haven't broken this level of support. I'll tell you that. We tested it. Price literally tested this level of support on a weekly level too. On a weekly, touched it, pushed back to, it's more comfortable in pricing right now. So we gotta look at it. Okay. Boom. And we got that. Put port resistance. Let's go on the 4 hour. See. Good. And let's put this right here. Look. As you can see, Tesla is definitely still below that. Still below, not below. It's still within this range right here. Ain't gonna lie, this is why you refresh your charts. Now I have a different point of view. But now I'm looking at, okay, is this sell valid? Is this sell valid, right? Sell still valid. Is price gonna push below here? Price gonna push below. Let's go to the 1 hour. Boom. On an hourly. As you can see right now, hourly. Do I see? Definitely see. There's nothing there for real. Let me stop. I see support. I see a level of support right here. right here. Small time frame support. I could call this like a little resistance within here. Yep, call that resistance within there, in the channel. And as you can see, Tesla we also pushing, low. So shit, Tuesday, you're looking for a sell. So this right here is a sell signal. Meta is a sell signal below support. Let's see what happened with Google. And Google got fried. And this is a big signal right here. Big red flag. This is bullish engulfing. Bullish engulfing. Go to the weekly. As you can see now, boom, we had 2 major weeks of selling off. And I'm looking at this support level on this weekly. Price is underneath that. On a daily too. So we're going to daily. Where is our support now? Where's our support? Like, this is where you got to mark up and chart up. Like, okay, I see prices ordered like it's a few days underneath support. This is a good thing too, because price can be a few days above resistance and just be chilling, and then it can just make its major push below it, right? Major push below it.
Oh my God!
I just had to press some, I was getting just I needed something. Over here. So we have this higher high. Then we made a low. So now this is one of our, looking out for this. Going to 1 hour. Price is just consistently selling off. I wanna see a retest right here. I wanna see a retest right here. It's probably gonna retest and continue down. That's Google. Let's go to Apple. Apple on a monthly. Apple also, dang, a lot of sell signals. Apple, Google, Tesla. On a weekly, just damn. And on the daily, just so how could we look for an opportunity, right? Boom. I see the resistance here. And this was a support level for a while. Support, resistance. And then one thing I see is right here too. Y'all see that? Boom. Chart master. On a 4 hour. On a 1 hour. Just selling off. But I ain't gonna lie. Like, this price comes back, this is still a buy signal, but we gotta watch. I don't have no clear direction for Apple, but looks pretty good though. I ain't gonna lie, looks pretty good. Sheesh, sell off crazy. Then we have Amazon. Those, man, I'm getting a little allergies. As you can see, push down. Sell signal, weakness. But weakness comes is when market has weakness comes opportunity. Long-term opportunity, right? Not short-term, long-term opportunity. If you want to trade, you have short-term trading. We guys put on a play. But Amazon gap down, still in a downtrend, just crazy downtrend. This past week just been cooked. This is where I'm gonna still mark up that support level right here. See, still support level. Then look at this resistance. Boom. That down. Start this. Just looking beautiful. Looking beautiful to me. Psh, psh, psh. All right. Is Amazon going to continue selling? Because that's a strong sell signal. Strong sell signal is going to hourly. Strong sell signal. Boom, boom, boom. Sell, 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 sell. Sell. Boom, right here. Next play. 40-point play. Then we have NVIDIA. Finally, NVIDIA. We have NVIDIA. Y'all see what NVIDIA is working with on a weekly. I ain't even look at the monthly. Bro, this been consolidating forever, bro. Jesus. Like, I don't know, man. This is some crazy consolidation, bro. Crazy consolidation. But you know, consolidation leads to either two things. No, consolidation leads to one thing. It's gonna be a big push. Big push. Outward or downward. Upward or downward, right? That's what consolidation leads to. So it's been consolidating for a while, right? Consolidating for a while. The hype over? Is NVIDIA's hype over? Is the AI hype died? Is the hype dead? The hype dead. Let's be real. Is the hype over for NVIDIA? Because man, look at this. Failing to break any new price levels. Stuck on this like crazy. Stuck. It is stuck. Then we have this support here. More time support. Boom. We looking for sales again, but we are near resistance. I don't strongly advise taking sales near resistance, but you know, you could, especially if you see this market structure is right, and then look at this rejection. 190, 192, 193 rejection. Just every time price gets there, gets smacked down.
Bruh.
Yes, it gets smacked down. But see, are we gonna retest the support again? You can get in a little early and just, you know, ride the wave all the way down. So that's my recap. That's my market outlook for this week. But it's a shortened week, so Tuesday might be a lot of versatility because, you know, nothing really happened. It's gonna happen on Monday because it's a holiday. Happy Presidents, George Washington. You know what I'm saying? Bill Clinton. You know what I'm saying? George Bush. You know, Obama, black millionaire, black billionaire, that's me. And Trump. Oh Lord, he's a president. Biden. Yeah, my man Sleepy Joe, happy birthday. Happy President's Day. Best 4 years of my life under that man. Sleepy. Then Trumpy. So it's this all week. It's how the week gonna look. You know, I see a lot of sell signals this coming up week. There's a lot of week price just selling off. So be aware, just be ready. But you never know. We're not market predictors, we're market anticipators. Where if this can also sell signals until we see a buy signal, and guess what? My price might push all the way back up. You know what I'm saying? Price might, you know what? I ain't selling no more, push back up to the resistance. So we're not trying to predict market, right? We're just trying to participate, right? We are participators. Yeah, player. Let's see Let me see. Let me do this bad boy right here. Let me remark SPY because I've been trading a little bit of SPY. I like them little daily contracts. You know, they're a little fun. They're a little fun. Get my get my game up. Get my game up. Good practice. So we see the monthly, and then boom, look, sell signal, sell signal, sell signal, and then it's going to daily. It's going to daily. But oh my God, y'all see the support level right here? The support level is strong, bro. But we need to break it so I can get into it. Like, you know, then we have this right here. This is our boom. It's going to hourly. Y'all see it. See it. Y'all see it. On a 30-minute, because you know I'll be short term. This is short term trading. Trying to see, okay. So it's a little good buy right here. And yeah, I sold right here, got cooked immediately. Next day I could have, you know, got more out of it. But I'm gonna be patient, but I'm gonna be looking out on the sell signal though. Looking out on the sell signal. So back to my trading list though. Ooh, future investments. Let's see how that's doing. Dollar General, good rebound. GM, JP Morgan got cooked. Oh well. Only more week 2. Yeesh. Back to the support level. You have Coke, got in a little bit of Coke. Got a little bit of Microsoft getting cooked. Trade Desk. Bro, never invest in a stock that's falling. Never invest in a stock that's falling. Never invest in a stock that's on a downtrend, especially shit like this. Oh, nah, not today, fam. Then boom, this right here, pretty good, but I'm not really investing in that. Drop that. Trade Desk, and invested. This is my investments right here, right? It's my investments. Microsoft, Coke, JP Morgan, and Dollar General. Dollar General going crazy. Like Dollar General got a lot more push into it. Got push into it. Got a lot of push left, so you gotta push into it. All right, let's go to our. Let's see. Let me check out my favorite list. This is our banking. This is our red list, man. This is where everything goes. But man, look at this support, bro. Price has been testing that support. Broke it. 1, 2, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Next week, I'm selling, bro. Selling to here. Carvana, bro. Oh my God, Carvana, bro. This trade would have made me $6,000. Okay though, because you know what, real man don't cry. I was looking for a buy above it, but guess what? I should have been looking for a sell below. Sell below. Sell below. It's okay though. Okay. Let me remark you though, because you know what, you got a special place in my heart, because you Carvana. I'm gonna make my bank. I'm gonna make bank off you one day. Or we went to the weekly. This week signal. Week signal. It's going to monthly too. Monthly. Yeah, look at this. You gotta look at the signals, man. Just weak signals. Continue that weak signal. Then boom, sell off. So now we just hit this old support right here. You see this old support right here? Boom. Now it's turning to resistance. So that support has turned into resistance. And boom, you see it. And we have, boom, we go back into the 4-hour. We see it. Oh, price went underneath the 200 moving average, the 200 in May. Just really big, can be really big problems. everybody. We ain't been underneath since here, but this could be also a sign of. And how many times did we test it? So before it broke it just touched it once and crossed it, and then never again. Are we gonna have that crossing? Because we were underneath it for real, for real. We're underneath it for real, for real. So it could be a sell signal, strong sell signals. I'm gonna be looking out for sell signals or buys. Nah, buys. No, it's on the downtrend. We on a downtrend, fam. We on a downtrend. We're looking for sales. Stay with a trend and get rich.
Yeah, one who said this, I do no easy off. Oh, mama see my name, Bumbo Clark. This a money. Rich, millionaire, hey, rich. What, hey, hold on to that. Make we see how you look no man. Open door, make we see how that. Bumbo Clark, rich, millionaire.
All right, let's go to Kava. Let me refresh this chart too, because it's looking a little outdated. Go to the monthly. And do y'all see that? I never switch it up. It's always the same. Always the same. Always the same thing, right? It's always the same thing. On the daily. You said that. Boom. Price had a strong. And then guess what? Price was underneath the 200. The 200 MA. Moving average. 200-day moving average. Now we are underneath it. But we got this level. We got this level of support. I'm gonna put my resistance here again. Keep my resistance the same. But I'm gonna have this marked right here. This double top. Support, resistance, support, and resistance, and we still underneath it. So if we break above here, we're gonna be above the 200 moving average. So I've been watching out for that. I'll watch out for that. Starbucks, I need to refresh you. The love of the game. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Shout out to Starbucks. Broke this on an uptrend, but made a lower high. I'm like, it's our support right here. Support, the resistance failed to push above this $100 level. Boom, support, resistance, and support. It's going a smaller time frame. What do I see? I see that price was definitely, this is a lower low, and we might be pushing lower. Go to Wingstop. I did not mean to do this live, bro, but damn, now I'm going through every single one. Not going to do this. Still failing. And then price might be pushing that support, that long-term support. Boom, you see this long-term support here on a daily. So it's price finally, oh yeah, we broke underneath. We failed to break above this level, but price already hit our target for support level. So what's next? Right here. This is actual new support now. A new support. New support. New support. Failed this pretty hard. Now we are under 200 MA. 200-day moving average. 200-day moving average. 100 simple day moving average, right? Underneath it, could we sell down more? And their earnings are coming up this Wednesday. So sell, 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 sell. And we got Chipotle, beneath support. Chipotle, you're gonna push below that support. We have Mo Monterey group. It's right here. Underneath simple moving average and is underneath support. Might be a good sell. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin be test break continue. I like about Bitcoin, like once she breaks that support resistance, it's gone. It's a good trading. Like I don't know, I need to start trading crypto, bro. Boom, underneath support, gone. Doge underneath support, gone. iBit underneath support. Clickadif. Should be trading this better too. Got an alert on there too. We have that daily resistance on there. Yup. And that. 4 hour for this. Damn. We're gonna see. Now gold. Gold is consolidating. Gold going back to its old ways and consolidating. Consolidating. Move chart. Let's mark this up. Gold's been on a generational tear. Going to 1 week. We're going to daily. Daily's like every day. Gold is moving. You can trade gold today. Boom. 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 On a 4 hour. Yeah. Gold has failed to break that. Ain't gonna lie. Once gold breaks this, I'm getting back in. Think gold break this level. New upwards. See. Got my alert right though. Serial. Master. Where's the oh, gold. Okay, let me remove this. This is the shares. Boom. Generational tear. Go on a weekly. Go on a daily. Daily. We have this clear resistance also. Boom. Support level over here. Support. Resistance. Oh man, we break this level. Gold breaks that level. We set gang. All right. So another trading list. Go to my watch list. Bitcoin's on here. Dow Jones. This is already underneath support. Let's refresh this though. Boom. Gotta get added QQQ. Dow Jones QQQ. Yo. Damn. Need to trade something else. All right. Clear that. The Dow industry Average has been going crazy, but I have some weakness last week and broke resistances. Support, resistance, price. It's amazing. It's not looking so good. But I don't know, just there. Next to the QQQ, we go to QQQ. See sell signal, sell signal, sell signal. See sell signal. I see prices at support. What support do you see? I see it right here. Boom. Support level right here. And look on price. Here. What the hell? That's the old lower high. Support resistance. Support resistance. Now. On a 4 hour. Alright. Sales below. But nature ETF. Go here. ETF. Ones I can trade. Fidelity. I was trying to trade. Bro, fuck yourself. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. There's QQQ. There's QQQU. QD. Dang. On the ETF to trade. Trade though. Bong. Bong. Bong, 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 bong. A small time frame. Bong. Bong. Yeah, bong. All right, the bong. Oops. Bong right here. Starting a new like date. 2023 Ferrari. The beginning of the month. Select. Oh yeah, we are live, baby. We are live. Back with another live test. Let's make some money on, man. Let's make some money on. Make some money on for real. Where do I see? Let's go start off with the monthly. This joint is consolidating. Friday 2 hour. Morning. Boom. Add up. FOMO. FOMO, no FOMO. Get it? Upwards. Push downwards. We're gonna need support again. Need support. Sell. Oh shit. Lot there. Close. Sell. Yeah. 1-0. God damn. All right. Close this position. You know. Two. That's better. Better. Oh. Yeah. Profit. Short and weak. And Todd. And Todd. And add on that. Bam. Right. Switching up. Let me just wait to the close. It's another week. Go on the daily. Daily. Still at support. sold support, but it didn't work too well. But we're seeing some music for y'all. Actually, I don't need no music. I can to my beautiful voice. You can hear my thoughts. So you wanna see what you wanna hear what I'm thinking. You wanna hear what I'm thinking. Oh, one thing I see is that might pop off. So this level. But this level won't pop off. It's Friday, let's go to Monday. Boom. Had another beautiful week of trading. Started. Okay. Trying to say no FOMO. Retake. There we go. I know you want to push that. You want to push it real good. Crazy. Crazy. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. Oh. Oh. Break even. Oh. You gonna act up? Close that position. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. That was a good trading. That's some good trading right there. Some good trading.
Rich millionaire, hey.
You know what time it is.
Hey, hold on there. Make we see in there look no man. Open door, make we see in there. Bombo clot, rich millionaire.
Yo, that was some good trading right there. Up here now. Damn, that shit up, and I'm stuck. Up and I'm up and I'm up and I'm stuck. I'm up and I'm up and I'm stuck with Munyon. Let's go. See, you gotta minimize your losses. This is a simple buy because he just broke that, but no, I ain't gonna lie, you like to do some foolery around the resistance lately. We just broke this. We just broke this. Let me just. It's cool, man. See? Foolery. There's some foolery. There's some foolery around this levels, bro. They always be. Just be funny, bro. Just be acting funny. All right. Here the chart. The chart. And I like trading bong. Bong. Bong 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 bong. Bong 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 bong. Bong bong bong. Bong 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 bong. Don't care. Got money coming in left and right. Yeah. You know I'm rich millionaire. Yeah, money on me left and right. Right and left, you know I get the bag anywhere. I go, you go, we get the bag. We are mentally trained for this moment. As we can see, we are on a 1 month, on a daily. Boom, 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 pushing this level. We broke this level. You know that was a good play. Oh, I know y'all saw that. That was some fire. That was some fire trading with me. I would still had the same support and resistance. Support and resistance. The support and resistance. Still at the same support resistance. Still support resistance. Let's give it a daily. You on that daily candlesticks. You know, in the midst, a bit in the midst, if it miss, because you know on a daily candlestick, in a minute this. Ooh, 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 ooh. So our target is up here, the 66, 37. 37.
Bruh. Oh my
I
God.
just spit on myself, yeah. I feel embarrassed. I feel embarrassed because I'm spitting at the streets, left and right, going crazy. Ooh, you like Michael Jackson singing? Good trading, it's a good trading experience. Good trading experience. 1 hour, Monday morning. This is a beginning of a new month too. I expect a lot of buffoonery. I expect a lot of market BS. I tell you that. I expect a lot of market BS. I tell you that. I expect a lot of market BS. I expect a lot of market BS. S. All right, let's see it. Go back. Okay. Patient. Team. Ooh, 15. Ugly as hell. Let's see. I think it's 60. The teams for entries are managing the trade. Mm. Take 6 grand though. Sleep at the wheel. Okay. Buffoonery. Market buffoonery. Ah. Bruh. God darn, bruh. I moved my stop loss way too close. Anyways. You gotta live with it. Live with it. It's not a mistake. At least you came out positive. Let's go to 15. Now I'm looking for another entry. Mm-mm. Yeah. Your TP hit. Much pain. I think it's gone, fam. I think it's gone, fam. I think it might be gone, fam. It's gone, fam. Gone with the wind. It's gone. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. Oh. Oh, so close to our goal. The stream ends when I hit 100K. Yes, I have a monetized goal. Yeah, I'm acting crazy on here. Who's gonna think, man? What kind of trader is this? Just never taking things serious. It's too serious. The Joker, you know why it's so serious, man? Calm down, Joker. Calm down, Batman. Who's crazy, Batman? You are a grown man wearing a bat suit. Pimp helps you. Who's crazy, Joker? Who's crazy in that? He's wearing a bat suit. I'm wearing a bat suit. Toot, 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 toot. All right, let's lock in. See, Monday. Oh man, we're going to 15. So it's a little downtrend, but for resistance, See, shit coming straight down. Yup, I freaking. I was a little FOMO. That's my entry point. Oh my god.
Bruh. Oh my God.
Still feel like shit. Back and better. Monetize me, baby. Oh yeah. Y'all think what I'm thinking? I'm thinking what I'm thinking. Let's get it. Shh. Crazy. 2 p.m. Tuesday. Man, that was one day. Sheesh. Sunday morning. Freaking. That's his point the whole time. No. So now. But yeah, that was the best. Ah. Bad week. Bad week. Ah, it's okay. Erase. Cell signal. Your cell signal in the air. Air. Okay. Just did ported right here. Now we're gonna act, huh? We're gonna act now, huh? Let's see how we going to act. Always turning down. Dailies turning down. 4 hours turning down. Let's see. Look. Oh my God, we're taking the losses. Eesh. Five. 15. Daily shenanigans. Lost. I hate this goddamn. Fuck you, Vanguard. Some bitch. Yenta. Boom. Gonna sell again. 19K. On the line. Team for what? Team for 10. Worth. Double it or nothing. Put this down. 17K. Do. Oh. Do. Oh yeah. We are in our trade, baby. We are so back, baby. We are so back. We are back. Oh yeah, keep going. Yeah. No. Oh no. You're not back. Oh yeah. Damn it, bro. I'm getting cooked. Oh my God. This shit is ass. Oh my God. Oh, I'll falling if we come. I don't give up though. I'm not getting up until I hit my 100K goal though. Yeah, we see. Shorted here. We missed a short though. God darn. Damn, missed it. Ah, whatever. I didn't earn. I could have sold. Profit, take profit, take profit. Stop being greedy. Take profit. I mean, be greedy, but also take profit. Back in this bologna sandwich. Emotional control is key. Here you getting knocked up. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Like that's in line with me. Dog starts barking when I'm live streaming. Hope y'all can't hear it because you know I'm okay. Okay. How we feeling? We feeling? Alright. No FOMO. Big sales, popping big sales. Only popping big sales, big sales. Oh, 15. Okay. Pushing you right there. I can't watch that shit. Ooh. I wanna cry. What is that, bro? Oh my goodness, yo, what is that? Don't stop. Won't stop. Weeks of learning journey. Learning journey. Oh, tigers. Okay. I don't know where that. Boom, 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 boom. That shit so well. You cannot be mad if you're gonna be the whale. You can tell Contrail. He ain't fail. Rapping in a game. That's a game so fail. He in the game so fresh. Fresher than the man. Hey, know how be. If I'm in the studio writing rhymes, you indeed there with me, then you can't be on a tour bus with me. Yo. Hey, I ain't missing this train. Ain't missing this at all. Oh. No, I'm gonna double it. Double it and pass it to the next one. Really, nigga? Oh my god, bruh. Bro, they just be stop hunting me. Yeah, I'll do anything for we. I mean, not anything. Really? That's the one that hits. Oh my God! No way! Yeah. Damn, bruh. I gotta sell the Gucci's, bruh. Gotta sell the Gucci's. I'm done. I'm finished. I'm finished. Jeez. Dang. It's tough, man. Damn. I gotta practice some more. I like this. I like Vanguard. I like this Vanguard. Mm-mm. A 178. That's it, guys. A great. On 15. Yeah, I could have. Yeah, I should stay in the 15. It's like near support. Just stay on the 15. Stay on the 15, bro. That's the job. Stay at 15, bro. I mean, could have been a great day. Oh well. I ain't mad though. It was a great learning experience. Let's point of back testing. It's a learning experience. Stay on the 15 when prices in support and resistance. Stay on the smaller time frame if prices are near with support and resistance. Anyways, guys, I am happy that I was able to show y'all the way of the stock market. Of the stock market. But here's another review over. This is another view of the Mag 7 on an hourly. One more time before I go. See y'all next week though, but look at this. This is what I expect. Downtrend. Downtrend. Be careful, guys. And have a great President's Day. I hope y'all enjoy. Hope you had a great Valentine's Day, but on the trades. It's but before I go. Before I go.
This money. Rich.
Done the trades. Boom, out of here.
We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. Throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
It's a pinnacle code, living on a killer code. Never tell me different stories when it comes to killer code. Everybody pinnacle, never tell me killer code. Everybody coming from the hood, so na kinapo. Everybody stacking by the same cause you never know the stories that are coming from the same plot.